Hello developers, I'm Sai Subed. I'm having more than 2+ years of experience using React and React Native. I love doing stuff, developing web applications and mobile applications using React and React Native. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do basic setup for the web development or mobile app development using React and React Native. So let's get into the video. Now, in order to use any React application or React Native application, first we need a basic code editor. For that, I'm using Visual Studio Code, this one. This is the most popular code editor where we can use different type of languages in it. Here in the image, you can see we can use Python, JavaScript, Java, everything in this code editor. And here we are having two type of versions of Visual Studio Code. One is the normal stable version, which will give the stable updates each and every time, and another one is insiders. This insiders gives us the early updates each and every day. So uh, whatever you want, you can download. Either you want stable version or you need a insiders version. So and the next thing you want to install in your system is Node.js in order to run your React applications. So without Node.js, we can't create a React project. So this is the must and should software we need to install on your Windows machine. And the next one is Git. This is one of the uh, important tool where we can directly push our code from our terminal to like using our terminal. We can push our code from the code editor or the file explorer directly to the GitHub repository. So uh, it is a CI/CD pipeline tool. It will be very useful for the developers to push or pull the request from the GitHub to local system and local to GitHub. So I already downloaded these files. So I will show the installation process. First, we'll go with the VS Code, accept the license agreement, and click on next. You have to choose the path for the location. You can, if you want, you can choose the different location by clicking the browse button. For this, I'm keeping this same. Click on next. Click next again. And if you want, you can create a desktop icon. And the important thing is this step add open with Core Insiders as an action to Windows File Explorer context menu. If you check this one, you can directly open the particular folder uh, from the File Explorer. You can directly open the folder to the VS Code without going to the VS Code, open with folder, doing all these things. Okay, and this add to path is also the must and should option to be checked. Okay, click on next, then click install. Yeah, yeah, the VS Code got installed. Click finish. Yeah, this is the welcome page. If you want, you can change the theme as well. As of now, I'm leaving it as default. Yeah, here you will get the folder whichever you open for the project, and this is the search button. This is the source control. If you download the Git in your Windows, it will automatically generate a gitignore file when you create a project, and there is a second. There is a settings. If you want to, if you turn on the settings sync, it will ask you for the GitHub account or a Microsoft account. If you link any of the account, it will automatically like if you sign into the GitHub account, it will display the files of the particular repository here. And if you want to push it to the GitHub, it will give you the button as commit, and if you can directly commit it from here. No need to enter any command to commit to the GitHub. And this is the run and debug option. This is the most important thing, extensions. Here you can find several extensions. So you can install them in your VS Code in order to use that particular language or any type of library related codes, anything, whatever you want. Okay, this is about the VS Code. And now let's install Node in a Windows machine. Click next, accept the license agreement, click on next. I'm keeping the path the same. If you want, you can change it. Okay, click next. Yeah, if you want, you can install the additional necessary tools like chocolate and all. As of now, I'm skipping this one. Click next, install. Yeah, Node.js has been successfully installed. Click finish. And now we'll install Git in our Windows machine. Click next, and you have to choose the path. If you want, you can keep it default or you can change the location. You can check on the desktop icon. And if you want any options, you can check and uh, check the options. Click next. You can keep whatever default editor you want as a Git editor. You can keep it. So I'm keeping VS Code inside as a Git default editor. And click next. Keep it as default. Let it decide. This is also save. Click next. Next. Click next. Next. Because default. Click next. Next. Click next. Click finish. Now let's check whether these got installed properly or not. Open command prompt. Type npm hyphen hyphen version. Yeah. And also type node hyphen hyphen version. Yeah. We got the 20.3.1 version. So we can conclude that Node.js is successfully installed in our Windows machine. And now check whether Git is installed or not. Type Git. Yeah, we got the comment. So Git is also successfully installed in our Windows machine. So Git is nothing but a version control where it manages everything about a particular file repository where like whenever we commit any file, it will keep it as a specified versions. Like first, if you commit any file, it will keep it as a one version. And if you modify anything, and if you commit it again to the repository, it will keep it as a second version. So that you can defer each and every modification in your repository and make changes in the future. Okay, so that is about the Git, and I will show you how to connect the GitHub to the VS Code. First, turn on settings. Click on sign in and turn on. I'm keeping as inside as default. Okay, I'm signing with the GitHub. Okay. Now we need to open this one. There is some issue with this setting sync. I'll try once again. Open. Open. Yeah. Now I got signed in. So you can check my GitHub has been successfully added here. And now whatever the extensions uh, was installed over the my GitHub account, it will be uh, automatically reflected here. So it's loading. It will take time. Yeah, all my extensions got reflected here. So you can see these are all the extensions I have used every time. Okay, so this is the basic setup when you are trying to create any React project or any web development related project, uh, mainly React or React Native. You need these basic tools, which will be really helpful for you. So I will be giving these download links in the description, so you can easily download them and install it in your Windows machine. So thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next video.
Please do like, share the video and subscribe to the channel for more content.